Here's how to enhance your audio on your PS5 after the new update. The first thing you want to do is head over to the settings right here on the top, and you want to check if you have any new updates, because if you haven't updated, you won't have this. So head over to settings, and then on system software, head over to system software update and settings, and right here check for updates. If you have a system update, just go ahead and go through it and then come back to this video. Now, after you updated your PS5, come back into the settings right on the top right here, and then head over to sounds down here. You will see that sound even has a new blue dot right next to it. That's because we have a new setting in there. Open the sounds and then go down to volume, and right here in volume, well, you could control the volume of the speakers and the headphones and stuff like that, but you will also see this audio focus down here on accessibility. Go ahead and open it up, and in here you guys will have multiple settings. Now you have to connect headphones for this to work, so I'm gonna go ahead and connect some headphones, and after you have connected headphones, you could turn this feature on, and right here you will be able to control a couple things, like for example the focus type, and in here you could put it on, for example, boost high pitch. Now with boost high pitch you could hear the footsteps better, but also it increases sounds of everything else, like for example the bullets, they get really loud if you're playing a shooter game. But you have all these settings in here that you could go through, and then also you have the adjustment level. Now I keep mine on weak, but if you do decide that you need more volume, you could put this on strong, and trust me, it could get really loud in there. So just play with the settings here. You also have the left and right separately to adjust the levels in here. I don't really mess with that one up, as my headphones are stereo, so I don't really want to mess with those up. Now you also have a preview in here that you could play. You could also press a square to play that preview. But that is pretty much it, guys. After you're done, just come back and start playing your games. If this video helped you out, guys, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.